Hi everyone. Today myself Dipali Arora, solution specialist in structures from Caprico Technologies, bring you to our weekly insight on file format settings. So basically Caprico Technology is a Windsor company and a partner of choice for the AC industry and is one of the biggest platinum partners of Autodesk and Bentley along with Authorized Training Center. We have 300 plus inspired team members. Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customers in AC and associated industry. So, in today's insight, we will be learning how we can change the file format settings in STAAD.Pro. So, we will see how we can change the STAAD editor file settings from expanded list to horizontal list. So let's start the session, and we'll also see what's the point or what's the use of this by setting this in file format configurations. Okay, so when you will double click your STAAD.Pro Connect Edition, this is the main window screen that will appear. And here in left hand side corner, you'll find the configuration settings. Just click on it. Box will appear. It will say application configurations. Today I'll be covering the file format settings only. So just click on the file format. Here you'll find some format options like input format. First, I'll show you if you'll click all of these things like single line commands. If you'll just turn on these options, what will happen in our start editor file? How it will look like? Okay, so just click on. I'll just click on it and I'll click on OK, and I'll make a new structure for you just for better understanding. Say I'll write the file name as structure one only, and I'll save it under a new folder. I'll create a new folder and I'll save it under this uh, metrics, and I'll just click on create. Okay, so now I'll just make one beam or a small structure for more clarifications. What will happen if we'll use the expanded list as a command. Okay, a node has been created. Now I'll just select the node cursor from over here. I'll use the transition repeat command and I'll say in X direction, link steps, geometry only, and okay. See, a beam has been created. I won't make it much complicated. Just let's see key what happens. Okay, just go to utilities tab. Here you'll find the command file option. This is nothing but the STAAD editor file. Um, so see, now it looks like disjoint coordinates instead of like uh, your file script file will be in the vertical form, like all of the member indices will be written separately. So it will, when you will make a bigger structure, it will be very complicated. Like just see, I'll just create like a simple structure or a bay frame. Say okay, link steps, geometry only. Okay, see, this is how I've created. Now let's see again how it looks like in the state editor file. See, like I told you, it will be in the vertical form. Like if anything you have to search, or if your any section fails, everything will be in the vertical form. It will be very difficult to find the things. But what will happen if you'll won't use you don't click the right expanded list command? How it will look like? So let's just create a new file from here. Suppose I'll click on new. This is structure 2. But before that, wait, I'll open a new STAAD.Pro window. Just give me a moment. Okay. Okay, so I have opened a new STAAD.Pro window. Again, I'll go to configuration settings. I'll go to full file format. I'll just unclick these options. I'll click on OK. Just remember, you have all the settings that you have entered before, like before starting a project, it will be followed in throughout your projects. So this is the very main thing to set the configuration settings, because if your project has been created and after that if you change the settings, it won't affect in that project, but it will be affected in, it will be shown executed in the other projects, like your new projects that you will create. After that, I'll click on new. I'll say structure 2 over here, and I'll click on create. Now let's see how a script file will look like. I'll also show you the difference of both the files. I'll write 000. I have created the node over here. I'll click on transitional repeat command. Say this, I'll geometry, link steps, okay. Again, I'll create a bay frame with the help of transitional repeat command. Z direction, say link steps, geometry only, okay. See, I've created. Now let's see how command file will look in this structure. I'll just open both the command files. This is the current command file which we are using right now. See, here you will see join coordinates are written in a horizontal form, and it is much more easier to find in that way. Okay, and this is our first command file that we have created. It see, in this command file left hand side, this is when we used expanded list format. This is how it looks like, and it's very much complicated. As when you'll create the complex structures, it will be very much complicated. And this side is the right hand side which I used. I just unclick the expanded list option, and this is how it looks like now. For more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel, Caprico Technologies Private Limited, and like and comment if you like the insight. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestions, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Thank you for watching.